காரமா இருக்கும் பார்த்து.
Basic. Watch out, the chutney might be spicy. Intermediate. Be careful, the chutney might be a bit spicy. Advanced. Please be cautious, the chutney might be quite spicy.
டேஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டுமே அதுக்குள்ள காரமா இருக்கும் அப்படி இப்படி சொல்லி.
Basic. Let him taste it. Why scare him saying it's spicy already? Intermediate. Let him try it. Why warn him so early that it's spicy? Advanced. Let him experience it himself. Why alarm him beforehand?
உங்களுக்காகவே ஸ்வீட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். முதல்ல இத சாப்பிட்டுட்டு அப்புறமா நீங்க சாப்பிடலாம்.
Basic. I made sweets especially for you. Eat this first, then you can eat that. Intermediate. I prepared sweets especially for you. Have this first, then you can try the rest. Advanced. I prepared these sweets especially for you. Try this first before moving on to the others.
இதுக்கு பேரு
Basic. What is this called? Intermediate. What do you call this? Advanced. What is this known as?
அதிரசம்.
Basic. Adhirasam. Intermediate. It's called adhirasam. Advanced. The name of this is adhirasam.
ஜான், நீங்க ஏதோ ரிசர்ச் பண்ண போறதா வாசு எழுதிருந்தா? என்ன ரிசர்ச்?
Basic. John, Vasu wrote that you are here to do some research. What research? Intermediate. John, Vasu mentioned you came here for some research. What kind of research? Advanced. John, Vasu mentioned that you are here for some research. What exactly are you researching?
Mukherjee Amman Temple. அங்க ரிசர்ச்சுக்கு என்ன இருக்கு? It's a god-forsaken place.
Basic. What is there to research there? It's a god-forsaken place. Intermediate. What is there to research about that place? It's practically abandoned. Advanced. What is there to research about that place? It's practically deserted.
It's very interesting. நிறைய அதிசயம் பத்தி படிச்சேன். உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது தெரியுமா?
Basic. It's very interesting. I read about many miracles there. Do you guys know anything about it? Intermediate. It's really fascinating. I read about numerous miracles there. Are you familiar with any of them? Advanced. It's quite fascinating. I read about several miracles there. Have you heard about any?
அவ்வளவா தெரியாது.
Basic. Don't know much. Intermediate. Not really. Advanced. Not particularly.
Really?
Basic. Really? Intermediate. Seriously. Advanced. Is that so?
ஜான், நாங்க இந்த கோயிலுக்கு ரொம்ப பக்கத்துல இருக்கோம் இல்லையா? அதனால அத பத்தி ஒண்ணும் தெரியாது.
Basic. We live very close to that temple, that's why we don't know anything. Intermediate. Since we live so close to that temple, we never really learned much about it. Advanced. Since we live so close to the temple, we never paid much attention to it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay. அமெரிக்கால இருக்கே ஸ்டாச்சு ஆஃப் லிபர்ட்டி, அந்த சிலையை செஞ்சது யாரு?
Basic. Who made the Statue of Liberty, which is in America? Intermediate. Do you know who created the Statue of Liberty in America? Advanced. Do you know who sculpted the Statue of Liberty located in America?
அவர் பேரு என்ன?
Basic. What is his name? Intermediate. What's his name? Advanced. What do they call him?
அதான் பக்கத்துல இருந்தா அருமை தெரியாது.
Basic. We don't realize the value of things close to us. Intermediate. We don't notice the value of things that are right next to us. Advanced. We often overlook the value of things that are right in front of us.
Ah, it's true.
Basic. It's true. Intermediate. That's right. Advanced. That's absolutely true.
Adhirasam, நல்லா இருக்கு.
Basic. The adhirasam is good. Intermediate. This adhirasam tastes really good. Advanced. This adhirasam tastes excellent.
Thank you, John. அம்மா கோயிலுக்கு எப்ப போறீங்க?
Basic. Thank you, John. When are you going to the temple? Intermediate. I really appreciate it, John. When are you planning to visit the temple? Advanced. My heartfelt thanks to you, John. When do you intend to visit the temple?
சாப்பிட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம்.
Basic. After eating. Intermediate. Once I finish eating. Advanced. Once I'm done eating.
வெளிய போறது என் கார் எடுத்துட்டு போங்க.
Basic. Take my car if you are going out. Intermediate. Take my car if you are heading out. Advanced. Take my car if you are planning to head out.
வேணா நான் ஆட்டோலே போறேன்.
Basic. Not needed. I'll go by auto. Intermediate. That's unnecessary. I'll take an auto. Advanced. That won't be required. I'll head there in an auto.
Yeah.
ஐயோ ஊரெல்லாம் சுத்தில கூட்டு போவாங்க.
Basic. They will drive you around the whole town. Intermediate. They'll take you all around town. Advanced. They'll take you on a long ride around the entire town.
எனக்கு அதான் வேணும்.
Basic. That's what I want. Intermediate. That's exactly what I want. Advanced. That's precisely what I'm hoping for.
சுத்தி பார்த்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்.
Basic. It will be like sightseeing. Intermediate. It'll feel like sightseeing. Advanced. It'll feel like a small sightseeing tour.
சுத்துங்க சுத்துங்க.
Basic. Go around then. Intermediate. Then go ahead and enjoy the ride. Advanced. Well then, go ahead and relish the experience.